Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Etsy email. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Etsy email, firstly open your Google search. Type in Etsy login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the sign in link shown on the page. Sign into your Etsy account. The official page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon shown on the page and then tap on Account Settings. Scroll all the way down to Email section. To change your email, enter your new email. Confirm your new email address by re-entering it and then enter your password. Tap on Change Email. It will change your email in no time. This is how you can change your Etsy email quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.